Good morning, everybody. We're doing the Thursday morning check-in. Little girl ate a lot. I'm thrilled. Hard food. Water's okay. She's playing with the birds again, but she's not attacking them. She's just watching them. Hopefully, she went home, wherever home is. It's not in my little house that I have, that's for sure. Anyway, wishing everybody a wonderful Thursday. Feed up. My husband did that. I just added a little more today and gave a couple of nuts. The birds are chirping. Oh, look at that. We had a crow. That was spectacular. Oh, there he is. There he is. Crows are beautiful. He's not comfortable with me, though. He'll get upset. He'll start screaming. Here are the other birds. Best when I go inside and I do my peek in. Yeah, they don't want me around. I could imagine. There we go. It's a beautiful, rainy, wet day. They all need this. It's not cold. I think it's like 50 degrees. You hear them? It's about 50-ish. Oh, there she is. There's my... There she is. She needs to be caught immediately. I don't know what they're waiting for. Look at her. Look at her. What are you doing? Troublemaker. Troublemaker. You need a home and some interactive toys. Look, 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 look. She's the troublemaker now. She doesn't know what else to play with. She's just looking at them now. I guess what they call honing her skills. They're really beautiful, the birds, aren't they? Let's do a peek in. Feeding is done. Let's go inside.